This segment is going to cover types of spy equipment that are used today. This wall clock, it has a hidden camera, it has a video camera built into it that shoots full color HD 1080p video. It also has audio, it has motion detection, and it has Wi-Fi. The battery lasts for months depending on the use. A standard 128 gigabyte card would be able to store video for months if used properly, and these retail for about $300. And I have one right here. We use a lot of these types of bugs for testing in our TSCM department. This is an actual clock with a video camera in it. The video camera is in the top of the 1 in the 10. I'm not sure if you can see it there, but it's right there in the top of the 1. It has video and audio recording capabilities. On the back, it's just a normal everyday clock. Has a battery there. You can see the second hand going around and around. It works just like a clock. I've got the panel off so you can see on the bottom too, where you can hook up a micro SD card into it, and you can hook up a micro USB to charge the internal battery and everything on it. But it's just a normal working clock. You could hang this up anywhere in an office, in a reception area, just about anywhere. It's going to look like a normal clock.